When maintaining a YouTube channel, you can go around and upload out your channel trailer and a featured video. So the idea is that when someone visits your channel for the first time and isn't subscribed, then you might want to prompt them to subscribe to your channel by showing them a channel trailer. Whereas if they are subscribed already, then you might want to feature out a video that you want them to see. So in that case, you can go around and click on customize channel right here when you're on your YouTube channel, of course, and then you can go around onto the customize section. So here you can see that there's an option to upload channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and there's featured video for returning subscribers, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on add over here. And once I do that, here it is saying search for videos. That is because a video is not uploaded yet over here. Same goes for the featured video as well. A video is not uploaded. So you need to upload a video first. So if it is your first time, then on your dashboard, you can see upload videos is an option, or you can go around over here on to create and upload videos from over here as well. So I'm going to click on upload videos and click on select files right here. And on my desktop, I have example video channel, video right here, and a featured video, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and upload them right here. So once I do that, both of the videos gets uploaded here, as you can see. We can add in more description to the videos and then customize it to add in keywords and so forth. But that is something that we are going to cover up in future lessons. So I'm just going to go around and close this for now once it is uploaded. And now let's get back onto our customization section right here. So once that is done, you can go around over here and click on add on the channel trailer section right here. And it says search for your videos right here. So let me just go to example and see what's happening. It says no matching results, please try again. That is because our videos are uploaded, but it is not modified correctly. So I'm just going to go around onto content, and you can see that both of the visibility of the videos are in draft mode in contents. And that is the reason why it is not showing up in the results. So let's go around onto the example videos channel, onto the edit button. Here you can add in details as you wish. But like I said, we are going to cover this in future videos. So I'm just going to click next right here. You have to answer the question, is this made for kids or not? It's not, so I'm just going to say no right here. Say next, 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 and in visibility, you can set it to public right here, just like this. So it needs to be public in order for you to actually choose it as a video to be featured or to be used as a channel trailer. Let's do the same for this one as well. I'm going to go to detail right here. I'm going to say no, it's not made for kids. Next, next, next right here. So it does some checks for copyrights and things, because that is something that is very important while you're uploading videos to YouTube. So once that is done, you can set this to public as well and click on publish over here. So once this is done, what happens is that your video is ready to be used now. So if you were to go back onto customization, now you can go around, click on add in the channel trailer right here, and you can search for your video. So let me just go around, type in example. It says no matching result. Let's just go around and type in over here, example right here, just like this. So there you go, example video channel. So you can go around and upload this, as you can see right here. Similarly, for the featured video, I'm just going to go around and search for your videos. So I'm just going to type in FE right here. It searches for the videos and shows the relevant one out. And there you go. This is what you have. So now you can go around and click on publish. And what happens is that the channel trailer and the featured video gets published now. So you can go around onto your channel right here, and when viewers come, then they will see the example channel right here, just like this, if they are not subscribed to the channel. But if they are subscribed, then they'll see the featured video right here. And that is how you can add in channel trailer and featured videos inside of your YouTube channel by using YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.